Yeah, I get my inspiration from my own potential. Fuck your taste, I know it's hot, I got my own credentials. I'm going crescendo off my own instrumental, so I don't want your beats. I'm in the game, you're in the stands, I don't want your seats. I'm heating up, peep my numbers. Discovered around the world like Columbus. I'm the one that's been determined by my confidence. Always down to politic, like show me what the offer is. But starting to build like who brought Russ into the offices. Accomplishments been stacking kinda nicely as of late. But I'm trying to get this, flying to get this, dying to get this cake. Could've signed and been on tour with your favorite independent, but I'm a boss and a boss respects that. I'll be patient for my entrance, cause the quicker you come in is the quicker that you exit. And the more you fight the process is the less you really let it unfold how it's supposed to. But let me pause the coaching, cause my Spanish chick just rolled through. Don't get cold feet, baby, I know you got on snowshoes, but come here, let me coax you. Got a little liquor, yeah, I guess that we can smoke too. Tried to put her on, but she don't believe enough. She ain't that rough, she ain't a rider, she's naive enough. But she's naive enough to make me get unruly. Make me wanna kick her out my car like I was Gucci, but I'm George Clooney in Ocean's 11. I'm trying to pull this caper off, smirk at all the skeptics, piss all of my neighbors off. By neighbors I mean peers, and by peers I mean people who doubted me over the years, cause I was living out their fears. It's that no excuses, make a movement or get left. I couldn't do a 9 to 5, I felt like that was just a trap. I'm not racing around with rats for a little piece of cheese. I'ma build my own factory, retire at 33. I'm just rhyming on an island, just trying to get this motherfucking guap. This is for the young ones on they shit, no excuses. Young ones really on they no excuses. Oh, I ain't no excuses. I ain't never making no excuses. Young ones really on they shit, yeah. Young ones really on they shit, yeah. Oh, no excuses.